Hi everyone, my name is Yash Thakur. I'm a chartered accountant from India and CPA Australia. I'm a partner at a leading Australian outsourcing firm in Ahmedabad. I have closely worked with more than 80 accounting firms from Australia, and I have trained more than 150 associates who are working alongside me. So generally, the firms in India would tie up with Australian CPA firms and get their work from here. So the work typically involves tax returns, financials, GST returns, SMSFs, bookkeeping, etc. So all the work that you can include in the accounting and finance domain will be involved. Well, there are lots of benefits. Firstly, I think because it's a morning shift, so 8 a.m. to 5 p.m. This will help you have your evenings free to do whatever you like. Next benefit is that you have 5 days working, so your weekends are free. You can have your work-life balance. Additionally, Australian accounting and tax laws are comparatively very easier and more logical than India. So if we consider all these facts, I think it's a no-brainer if anyone wants to join international accounting. So if I talk about the whole Australian outsourcing industry in India, all the firms are willing to hire freshers throughout the year, but they are not able to meet up with their requirements on time, including us. The main reason behind this is the clear lack of knowledge in Australian accounting and tax laws and even basic accounting skills. To help more and more people get their dream job in Australian KPO, we have designed this course to help you understand Australian tax laws, basic accounting skills, and software learnings as well. In this course, you will be able to learn basic accounting skills, individual tax laws, Australian GST and GST returns, Xero software, the software that is mainly used in Australia. So this course will be able to help you kickstart your journey into Australian KPO. So once you complete this course, you will get a certificate of completion. We have also partnered up with many recruitment agencies to help you land your first job in Australian KPO. So the price of this course is not even 50% of your first month's salary, because we just wanted to help more and more people get their job in Australian KPO. So if you're interested in launching your career in Australian accounting, please register for our course through our website and let us help you start your career. Thank you.